Good evening, fellas. Welcome back to Daiwik Unboxing Activities. I am back after a long time with French. And sorry for the delay of the videos. Now I'll be posting videos regularly again on my channel. So today we'll do lesson 2. In lesson 2, we'll learn many new words. So let's get started. Loading. Yeah.
Je travaille, et toi?
So listen again, guys. As you know, the pronunciation is really important in French. And if you're not having a pen and copy near you, then please just grab a pen and copy, because you will be writing some new words in this lesson. Listen again.
Je travaille, et toi?
Okay. J, I already know you know that meaning of J. Well, if you don't know, then I'll tell you. J means I.
Travail.
You know, I'm really confused in the pronunciation of travail. So it means work, working, or am working. A means and toi means you.
Toi.
So listen again the full sentence.
Je travaille, et toi?
So we'll straight away write the answer and write this travail word in a copy. So here the sentence and the meaning is
Travail.
work, working, am working. So let's type the answer. I am working and comma and you. Oh, it is correct. Yay.
Tu travailles à Paris?
Okay, again travail work sentence. So that travail and this travail is different. So this travail means
Travail.
well, they are same. Okay, I didn't know the meaning. Tu means you. Travail means, as you know, already know. I hope you know, work or are working. Means in, and Paris means Paris. It is a place. So you are working in Paris. Oh, I forgot a question mark. Okay, fill in the blank. First, fill in the blank. So, je travaille. I actually mistakenly already told the answer. So, well, the answer is this one. As you know, as we just did it, let's check it. And if you want to pause the video, you can. Well, I already told the answer. Okay, well, I got my answer wrong. Wow. As I already told you, I'm confused.
Paul est étudiant.
Listen to it again. Well, étudiant means student.
Étudiant.
Okay.
Paul est étudiant.
Paul is a name. A means is, and étudiant means student.
Paul est étudiant.
Okay, so let's type the answer. If you want to pause the video, you can, and note the word. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's a student. I am. Yeah. Oh, it is correct. Yay.
Marie est étudiante.
Okay, étudiante means female student. Well,
Étudiante.
I just told you it is female student. You can just like check the name. So let's type the answer. If you want to pause the video, you can, for thinking the answer on your own. Oh, correct. Yay. Okay, Julia A dash. So you can pause the video if you want to think the answer, and I'll just take the answer, but you can pause the video if you want to think it on your own. Correcto.
Ici.
Okay, so ici means here.
Ici.
See, this is also a new word. You can just write this. So I'll write the answer. This is the meaning. Here is the meaning of ici. Listen to it again.
Ici.
Ici, not ici. Ici. Okay, nice. Multiple choice question. She is a student. Okay, pause the video and think. Well, I already know the answer. Think which one is it? And yes, you are right. Third one. Yay.
Un étudiant.
A means a. A means a.
Un.
And étudiant
Étudiant.
means student. Listen to étudiant again.
Un étudiant.
Easy. So let's just type a student answer. Okay, correct. I really like it. Okay, new word. Here was a new word, but I already told you. So think of the answer, pause the video if you want to, and I'll just take the answer. Yay. And correct. Yay! Nice. Okay, again the same word. Think of the answer. Pause the video if you want. I'll just take the answer. Correct. Yes. Oh, we did it. Today's daily goal we completed. Well, not today's goal. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed the video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, Daiwik's Unboxing and Activities. And please be sure to comment on it, and share it. So, in the next video of French, we will do lesson 3. So, till then, take care, everyone, and bye bye.